In this tutorial, we will see how to do the basics with color lookup tables in Regrade. Many of the color lookup tables, or CLUTs, you can find on the internet were made using sRGB 2.2 Gamma color working space. For this reason, we recommend using a Gamma 2.2 workspace. If you plan to work in a different workspace besides Gamma 2.2, please see the manual. So first we go to Project Settings, Color Settings, and set Gamma to 2.2. Next we will apply a HALD CLUT, which is the image with all the colors. You simply apply Regrade Correct, add the HALD CLUT that you want to use to the project, and then go to the Effect Controls. Here you set the layer where the CLUT comes from. Now let's make our own to share or use on multiple clips. So first we can imagine that we did some color correction we like using a reference frame. Also, let's assume that we don't use spatial filters. Now for demo purposes, we can apply a set of color corrections. Now we select and copy the list of effects we applied. We create a new comp and make it 1000 by 1000. We will come back to the source of these numbers in a minute. Next, we create a solid of that same size and apply Regrade Color Admin. By default, it's in Generate Identity mode, which is what we want to use for this. That just means a value of 5 is 5, a value of 253 is 253, and so on. We now paste our effects that we previously copied. That's it. Now we have a new HALD CLUT look. We can drop this into our original comp, duplicate the layer, and remove the effect to compare. So we apply Regrade Correct and use the comp we just did to render. If we turn the layer with the effect on and off, it shows it's the same. Of course, we can save that CLUT image for reuse, but we can also have a 3D LUT from it, which is another way to share your color correction look. Now we can make a new pre-composition. We apply Regrade Color Admin. This time, since we have an existing CLUT, we will set the mode to Display Source. These are the different resolutions supported, powers of 3. Note that some of the applications might have issues supporting very large size tables like 4096. If you have auto on, it will export the CLUT file to disk based on source image size. So if you select Export LUT, you can name it as you would like. We can apply the CLUT we previously saved again and again. We have the same result. All of this also works in Premiere. We can apply Lumetri to our clip, and the basics control, we simply select Browse and apply the LUT we saved.